The COVID era has been a very strange time to be an early stage tech investor. And in 2020, some startup sectors have seen a decrease in funding, but ag and food tech was on the uprise. And part of that is also the type of exits has changed. We've seen a rise in SPACs in some industries, and it's there for ag and food tech as well. So in your mind, Howard, what's changed in financing in ag tech startups?
Right. Well, for many years there was a common complaint that there were very few and far between significant exits in the ag tech sector and even in the food tech sector as well. Although, in the food tech sector, you've been seeing some of these alt protein companies get liquidity. So, but that has been a complaint. Well, fast forward to today, where we're sitting in a world awash with capital and liquidity. The public markets are at all-time highs, and SPACs, even though they've taken some setbacks, they're still out there looking for deals. And so I think you've seen a sea change in the overall financing environment, and I think you're seeing a lot more money headed towards the later stage investments. I think there's more optimism that you'll see some serious exits coming out of the ag and food tech sector.